Are you thinking of remodeling your home before selling this spring or summertime? When you do decide to remodel your home to sell, the key is to keep your target buyer in mind. As a seller in 2024, make sure that the remodel justifies the intended buyer. When a seller decides to put extensive high-end material, luxury appliances, and ultra-modern updates into the house, all that additional cost will ultimately increase the final sales price. With today's interest rates, most buyers' main concern is the mortgage payment. Yes, as a home seller, you should change the carpet if it's totally worn out. And yes, you should paint the interior of the wall color if it's lime green or bumblebee yellow. However, getting Italian marble countertops in the kitchen is most likely not going to get you $50,000 more for the house. If you do have a bigger budget to remodel the whole house, the top remodeling projects with some of the highest return in resale value are 1. The kitchen, 2. Paint, 3. Flooring, 4. Additional living space, 5. Outdoor or backyard area. Overall, just remember to make those changes and remodel fit the potential buyer that you're looking for your house. And with that, you'll probably get a better return on your investment.